angkinin ko rin yung pera na tulad ng pag-angkin ng unang grupo. So, na-intriga si Mr. Mateo, tinanggal niya akong abogado, and I didn't feel so bad dahil unang-una ito sa blessing in disguise. And because of that, wala na akong panahon kay Mateo, but I concentrated on some communications with Ricky. Nakita ko na, Ricky, I think you have lots of problem. Nasabi ko kay Tess, nididemanda ko siya. Pero ikaw din, ay parang you are enterprising, very good leader, but mukhang wala ka naman nagagawa sa makapalpakan ng unang administrasyon. You should clear up yourself, otherwise you'll be one of them. Kako sa kanya. And I think that was the public image problem of Mr. President at that time. Pero few moments lang naman mga meeting namin yon that suddenly went into clear sky